Hi, Mark Garcia here. Merry Christmas. You know, December is the most important diamond month of the year. More diamonds are bought, given, proposals made, that kind of thing. And at Garcia Company, one of the things that we're famous for is that I personally hand select every diamond that goes into the showcase. They don't come out of a corporate office, or I don't just take a vendor's word for it. I personally inspect every single diamond that comes in our store. And that's why we're famous for giving you a brighter, more beautiful diamond than for the same or less than an ordinary diamond. And it's really important to us, whether you buy the diamond from us or from anyone else, that you make a great decision. So if you're shopping this December, stop in, get my Insider Secret Diamond Buying Guide. We're so confident that we're going to help you make a good decision. We'll even give you a jeweler's loupe that you can take with you wherever you go to go shopping, and so that you can make a great decision. We want to give you good information. We want you to be armed when you're out there buying something that might be literally, in fact, a once-in-a-lifetime purchase. We'd love to help. Come see us.